Look at
See from
that.
there.
Yeah, it looks like
the whole house is done.
Yeah, when you hide the filth, it looks nice.
Fuck yeah, new
Oh, that's
roof,
so nice.
refurbished siding, all painted up, rebuilt brackets.
The 27 ladders we have.
Yeah. Let's see. I gotta cut an angle on one of them to meet up with the angle. Because when I cut the other side, I cut some extra.
Oh, look at that.
And these were made out of this kind of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I just cut them out of that.
Nice.
You know, and I was picking all that. That's what.
Oh, yeah, so that's the cedar?
Yeah, because I was just.
That's the cedar that was the walls over there.
Oh, is that what that was? I
Yeah.
couldn't remember what that was from.
Keep some of the nicer
Oh,
bits.
hey, I got pieces already primed.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Well, you're thinking ahead.
Yeah, because when I cut these, I knew I would need a bunch.
Let's
so
see if it smells like cedar. Not really.
This piece, I used for small pieces, because you can see
Yeah, it's kind of twisted.
it was crooked when I cut it, and I'm like, well, I don't really want to use that, so I'll just take one of these up there. I got to get my angle, you know, to meet up with the one that's up there.
That's really good.
And then I'm not going to put the whole side on. I'm just going to put the one on.
Yeah, because
And then
you're
when
working your way down.
Yeah, then when I get over to it, I'll add the other piece, but I just want to get out of that peak.
So you can move your ladder down and never have to be
Yeah.
up that high again.
Because I'm up there working, but I'm always a little.
You just get kind of weird feeling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm moving real slow because I'm all like, oh God, don't slip or something, you know.
Don't end the show here.
Yeah. It's going to get caught anyway. So there it is.
Need your hands off?
Yeah, I'll take it downstairs. I just got primer on it now, so after I get it up, I'll have to put a coat of white.
Oh, that's cool.
Actually, 2 coats of white. That, and I knocked it into my green and put a little dent, so I gotta put a dab of green. Okay, that ought to do her. And I have a slight back cut too. That's what I wanted.
Nice. Yeah, make quick work of that.
Yeah. And I'm gonna start a couple. All right. Well, I guess. Oh, that was the right angle.
Oh, wow.
Because I thought I had cut one before, but I wasn't sure. Sure enough, it's the exact same as what I got now. You probably don't even see this.
Yeah, I wouldn't worry about it anymore. Looks great. And just like that, the beauty has went over just a little bit more.
Yeah. And I want to get some white paint on there.
Yeah.
Yes. I have turned the corner, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Headed downhill now.
And now you can just be 3 feet lower at all
Right.
times. Yeah.
Just that little bit. Because now, once that's done, the ladder is going to get lowered, and I'm going to go from the bare spot over to the window, and then do that section in the middle, and then kind of move over and start that.
Yeah.
Bleep blooper around.
Looks great.
Oh yeah. Right. Hiking. That's fucking funny, little girl. I just hope, so many people nowadays, they're like, fuck it, just vinyl sided. I just hope that somebody comes along who still appreciates original siding.
Well, when we sell this place, we can make them sign an agreement that they're not going to fuck it up.
No, I won't make anybody sign anything.
You could, though.
I don't want to limit prospective buyers. I just hope that somebody comes along and appreciates the work that's been done on the vinyl or on the original siding. Not so somebody comes along and is like, well, yeah, that looks nice, but I would have just vinyl sided it. It's like, well, okay. Because I think that's worth more than vinyl siding.
Oh, yeah.
Hell, that's original cedar siding from the 20s, and look how it came back. We brought her right back around.
It has definitely another century in it.
Yeah. And that's what the insurance people were all concerned about. Because I told them it was the original siding that I was redoing, refurbishing and all that. And they were like, oh, wow, we got to send somebody by to look at it. I'm like, that's fine. Bring it over. You'll be able to see what I'm doing. You'll be able to see the old and the new.
Yeah.
You can't tell me they're not going to find that acceptable. They're going to go, oh, wow, that came right back around.
Yeah, really, the only issue is the paint, not the wood.
Yeah.
The only issue is the paint.
Yeah, because the wood itself is fine.
If we could just
it's a little dry and cracked in spots.
Yeah, but honestly, it was probably like that 20 years after it was put up.
Right.
I mean,
that cedar was so dry to begin with,
Yeah.
Number one.
Looks great. Sizzling your ass?
Oh, it's just baking my legs. It's too hot. I got to do a little bit of white touch up and then put a little dab of green over that, my white speck. Finish my trim boards, and then I can start coming down and connect the dots. And then when I get down here, I've got all that white spatter to go over,
Mm-hmm.
That's why you work from the top down. But
We had to try it out, though.
yeah, this was the experimental area. All right, I'm gonna do my touch up. And all the way down to here. Oh, what do we got here? Right here. Sometimes. Yeah, I gotta get next to that bracket. Up a little bit though. I didn't realize it until last night I started thinking about it. See, I'm trying to do this so that I made trying to fix my white. Now watch, I'll hit the white with my green.
Yeah.
Just go back and forth, back and forth.
Looks nice.
Hit my little spot there. Oh, another thing I did was I got the hose out because my roof, all the cracks, or you know, the spots in between the shingles.
Oh, you washed it off?
They were packed full of paint flecks from scraping.
Yeah.
So that's what most of that is on the ground. I cleaned all that off.
I gotta say, that's a pretty genius idea to just use the paint lid as like a little palette.
Yeah, because all I need is a dab here and there, you know.
Yeah. Damn, those windows look so nice with the new storm windows.
Oh, I know.
That's a way to really compliment you. Like, just talk about your storm windows and like, you're like, oh yeah.
Have you operated those yet?
I have not.
Oh man, it's just so precise and smooth and solid. They seal up so nice. I think the one in your room, when you close it feels like it's closed, but you actually push down a little harder and it kind of clicks. And
Okay.
all the seals are there.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Well, that's quality.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all inside there is all done. I had to go all the way up to there to repaint because I had that different shade.
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's it for fall sun.
That looks nice. So you said then you're gonna go down?
Yeah, so from here, from that spot, I am now going to connect the dots.
Should we call it here for the video, I think, or should we go further? Because you did you did the top triangle, and that's quite a lot.
Yeah, the whole top section now is done.
Because here's the thing, like the next video, we'll probably get the storm windows and do that.
Yeah, I got to order these two, which I thought I ordered on the first batch.
Yeah, it's okay.
So I'm going to order those two and that center big one, which is the same size as that one.
Yeah.
And then I'll have them all from all this side, because I have those. And I have the two outer ones, which were supposed to be those.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah, we got to go down a little.
By the way, beautiful brick road.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, we do. Oh, look at that. Well, now you can see so much more. Oh my God. Oh, her shed hides it perfectly. Look at
See
that.
from there.
It looks like
the whole house is done.
Yeah. When you hide the filth, it looks nice.
Fuck yeah. New
Oh, that's
roof,
so nice.
refurbished siding, all painted up. Rebuilt brackets.
The 27 ladders we have.
Yeah. New storm windows.
If you have 100 ladders against your house, you never have to move them.
Yeah. Well, Christ, what do I got? 4 of them.
Yeah.
It's nice.
It
having
is.
that.
Well, should we call it there?
Yeah. And then we'll just continue on with it.
Oh, there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you very much for watching. See ya. Let's do some lunch.
Okay.